Welcome to our channel, everyone. Today we'll explore one of the places in London, Canary Wharf. Now, when I think about fun in London, Canary Wharf definitely doesn't come to my mind. But what it has to offer is the endless skyscrapers and a slight New York City charm. In terms of the geographic location, it's located in the East London. Before we get started, do you wonder why is it called Canary Wharf? So let's break this down into two words. One of the buildings in 1980s was previously used for fruit shipments from Canary Islands, hence the name Canary, and Wharf stands for the warehouse at riverfront. Pretty simple explanation, isn't it? The Canary Wharf was built at the start of 19th century as part of West India Docks. This was to import sugar, rum and coffee from the Caribbean plantation. And it is sad to know, but it was partly funded by slavery. You'll find many of the major banks here, such as Credit Suisse, Bank of America, Barclays, and many more. You'll also find Thomson Reuters and Daily Mirror. It has some technology companies too, including the Infosys. There are a lot of things to do in Canary Wharf besides eating, from huge shopping malls to the office buildings to the concerts and the performances in the squares. There's always something going on. Canary Wharf is also known for its boat parties, mostly in summers. So the time when I visited, it was winter, so you do not see any crowd. And a one-day hire would cost you somewhere around £200. You can also pay a free visit to the Museum of London Docklands. It's a great way to learn about the stories of London and how the docks came to be. We spotted a DLR, that's Britain's first computerized railway, so there's no driver there. The Canary Wharf has UK's first solar-powered bus stop. There's a whole host of technology and environmentally friendly features embedded in the Canary Wharf estate. Now, the fountain that you see here is computer controlled. Isn't that brilliant use of technology? One of the things you'll effortlessly do in Canary Wharf is to take the amazing public art on offer. Now, Canary Wharf Group put a lot of effort into adding artistic charm to the financial district, and it shows. Canary Wharf is also one of the first places in the UK to install sea bins. Yeah, you heard it correctly. Inside the water, you have sea bins that collects almost 30 kgs of plastic a month from the waterways. Again, an intelligent use of technology. So if you are a Bollywood fan, you might have seen this place in one of the Bollywood songs. So this is Crossrail Tunnel. Now this futuristic tunnel is a Canary Wharf staple and is used for everything from light shows to the music videos. So this weekend, save some time to visit Canary Wharf. Well, there you have it, all the fun things to do and lovely places to go in Canary Wharf. I hope you make the most of your time on this side of the city. If you like this video, please don't forget to share and subscribe.